Well, good morning, welcome to the channel. Today, I'm in Widnes. And they say photography isn't all about exciting locations. Who are you trying to kid? Joking aside, my name's Ben, I'm a landscape photographer based in the northwest of England, and today I'm in Widnes to try and get something a little bit special. So the reason why I've kept fairly local this morning is because I want to explore local photography. Time and time again I see landscape photographers wild camping, going out in their VW camper vans, going across the whole of the UK and further beyond. And I want to show you, or at least inspire you, that there are things on your doorstep. You don't have to spend an absolute fortune travelling the world. There's plenty to be had fairly local. And I think the thoughts of hiking 30 miles a day, wild camping or sleeping in a camper van, puts a lot of people off. And I want to show you, hopefully on this series of videos, that you don't need to do that. So what am I shooting this morning? Well, quite simply, I'm on the banks of the River Mersey. I've got the Widnes Runcorn Bridge ahead of us, the old Jubilee Bridge, and I'm on a fairly new, I say fairly new, it's probably about 30-40 years old now, bridge that spans over a bit of an inlet, outlet sort of canal area, stream, whatever it is, but it stinks. It really smells down there. Leading onto a staircase that goes up over onto what is essentially a man-made area. I think originally that was an old rubbish tip ahead of us, so not the nicest location. Further down there's a factory that produces smells that, well, if you had smelly vision you'd understand what I mean, but it's dank. And I personally believe that that's key to successful photography. You've got to look beyond the smells, you've got to look beyond the location, you've got to look beyond, there's somebody with a drill behind us and there's a big chemical plant behind us here, and actually focus on what the image is going to be all about. What can the camera get from this location? And that's the basics of being a landscape photographer. Understanding what the camera can pick out. So all of these shots this morning have been shot on the 14-24 f2.8 lens. I always find it quite an interesting lens to use, certainly on structures and things, because it gives such an exaggerated view. However, in the past I have shot here on the 24-70. I've done a lot of panos, HDR panos as well around here, and they came out really well. But this sort of image, I just love using the 14-24. So this morning hasn't really given me the sky I was looking for. There's absolutely no cloud in the sky at all. I was hoping this morning that it was going to give me some real colour, some real depth to the image. It's not, but that's one of the things with landscape photography. You're relying so much on the weather. What I'll do is I'll show a couple of images that I took, I think it was last February when I was last here. They're much more what I was looking for today. So that concludes our first episode of Shooting Locally. I really hope you've managed to take something away from this, and it just shows you don't have to travel far in order to get decent images in your own area. And a lot of the time it's good to showcase what you've got in your own area. In fact, sometimes you might even spot something you've never seen before. All the best, take care, next video out very soon. Bye bye now.